Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, my lady.
Nasty Puss. But Puss, remember me tell you, I know you alone can bring we down. I know you alone can do the things them Puss. Me just a bird box, which part of bird box you not understand. Dirty Puss! Which part of me a bird box you not understand? What the bomber blood clot you want from me? Yeah,
It's not bad
English. Dirty woman! Stinking woman!
Just I left Push to them. Them see a man come tell me say Push a chat me. When everything I go on, then come and confirm. Yes, Push a chat. Push chat everybody. Push out about she not chat people. Them same one. But all of a sudden, when I move in a blood clot, come and now look on after friend Push.
Them two mix up.
Yeah. Them after friend Push come and now look on them and think them never bother me.
Clean up your dirty room. Clean up your room full of tie up bag. And butter clothes and dirty clothes. Nobody ever call you nasty woman. I'm telling you, if I clean up your fucking floor as a blood clot friend. What the fuck do you? I come off from a bomber blood clot name. Me see you? My blood clot see you? But I don't want this dairy. I don't cuss the dairy. Them I come from my life. I'm tell them something I want. What a bomber clot you mean? I remember somebody can come tell me, say you argue with me. You see how fast you answer the blood clot phone. Girlfriend, you have blood clot. Look, my gun. I'm going to leave you up to time, dirty woman.
Tough figure drink bleach.
Thinking what dirty crying.
But where she come from?
Tough figure drink bleach. I swear them say her mother dead of HIV or AIDS or something. Tough figure drink bleach. Wait, no knowing. You're vexing me over my money when I never give you. I never promise you none neither.
So she did beg me to go for my baby cake. I'm so tough for me don't
have it. I never promise her none. I never give. Hey, play the live there. Come see something there. Play the live there. Somebody play the live there. Not for me, no please. Me I beg you no. Play the live there.
Puss live?
Yeah.
Derry.
Let
me see.
Derry.
Oh, she don't run me ass. Let me go over there. Me not care. Big bad and blood clot. Great boss.
Derry. When somebody are going live, you see the live, but you're not see them.
Me them block you.
Munchie, you're going to
Mm-hmm. What? I never want to hear no. Blood clot, come out of your closet. I want your family know see your name front like that. Bell, member good not Jezebel. Jezebel was member good. All of me and my man them good. The whole of them. Any man when I fuck me can get them back if I want, and none of them never left me. Me are 35 years old until the date I swear. No man never left me. You're dumb. Move Brashy. A madman reject you. A madman with head full of lies and take coke. Reject you.
My God.
Oh, it go. Dirty little dog. Oh, it go. Only for stopping me, and them stop me, I don't want the rubber dub and them bagga, I don't want. Who don't know if it be cute and girly. I swear your breasts like this. Move your blood clot. I wonder if your family knows you lick out crutches. You lick the pussy, you lick batty, you lick out everything. You dirty little drunk throw. You're a nasty little scum of the earth. Move your blood clot. Your next girl we can't take reject. Any girl say them no want a friend from me now blood clot look. After you know more than blood clot me. Me is that girl. Me is 10 out of 10. Move your blood clot. Me carry my own weight. When I go out is Munchie bless your ear. Hey Munchie bless. Munchie bless in the building. Moving the blood clot. No name. I them look a fuck with on the bad mind for. I don't look like you know if me say me broke and hungry and nothing I go out for me and me look so what I want when me rich. Suck on a mother one time. I that me say me a bad blood clot. Yeah, Brash just beat me up now. You ugly little shit. Baby, if I come off of the internet. Hello? Yeah? Oh. Yeah. 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 Let me mute myself.
Yeah, go on talk like us look on the phone.
No, I think that Anto something makes you not answer. I'm gonna send.
You're right, roasted voice over there like a pig.
Them I call Anto, Antenna, and so
No, because our sister did a call her.
brush it over there. I say, well, I can't even think. I can't. Yo, let me tell you some more vomiting.
You don't worry about me so much who me I talk to. You make me feel like say I just want to name myself the icon, you know.
Blood clot, right there,
You
so.
don't worry about me there work on the my name. You want hey, we got big Susie no go in it. There we can angle our own bangle. And if me tell you no, none of the girl now come out here, come run out here. And we are the top rubber out here.
Susie. Yeah.
Talk about icon, iconic.
Won't you ever hear said none of you come through and not get licked down?
Where if a girl then drop a bomb, you drop a dynamite.
Them no know say I be a boom and then
All right
with
then.
blood
All
clot.
right then. People make a declare. Me not gonna in a more argument with Anthony. Me not gonna call Anthony after me done talk this right now. You know what hear Anthony.
What you talk about? Antoinette all forget rubber.
Hold on now. It's a truth. So after today, after now, if Anthony come out and call my name, I'm not gonna call her name, and that's just it. Period.
I don't know what you talk about.
So me talk look while she talk look while. Yeah, she don't call me name. I'm talk look while
yeah, but if you get a good rubber,
no,
then
sometimes if you make peace with icon make you go then say
I don't want
remember them
to
away friend in an icon.
I genuinely did not want to do it.
Icon not real life my friend, not real life girl.
Done there, so. But if anyone else want come, I'm ready. So that on my spare time, babes, me now left here. So if you want to do it, me know can no one would do it. But if them keep on you want to do it, I will come sit down on here with you and see. Me can't rub, me can blood clot banter real good.
No, if it's
real good, me can't banter.
a good move you make, girl, not to like your friend.
I think our sister called her just now, and I think when Puss try call her, she said, all right, then she won't trouble Munchie. You read between the line. So then call Munchie and tell Munchie, say, all right, then she not call her name, you not call her name.
Yeah.
Somehow they were over, they will come over here. Me know all our name.
Oh, all right, then if a piece, then all right.
My baby love her real bad. Guys, my baby love her real bad. My baby love Anthony real bad.
Are your friend not real life for sure and she a friend? She never
Anto is a nice friend.
She never hide that. She never hide that.
They love her real bad. Oh.
Yeah, girl, if you can just wave the white flag at your friend, girl, just wave it and just walk. If you're on square now, she bust it up, you bust it up and it done.
And it done. Don't know. But anybody else want to come, you can have it.
Yeah, man, you shoot them down, man. Shoot them down.
Since you don't like when me quiet, have it blood clot. My friend them and my people them not call me and cuss me, but give me one, just give me me show them so me still. But you don't want have it, you don't have it. Have it now, take it, see it here. This you don't want. Have it. Me ready. I want to feel like none of you can touch me, you know that too. So you know the whole congregation and I plot up against people and I call people and say this and I tell people they lie. The other people aggravate other people. I mean, I like evil, girl.
People like to good friendship.
Listen, Peter John, me a girl. People say a lot of things about me, Peter John. Peter John, from my heart and my bad, from down in the bottom, me a girl will try to provoke people, me try to kill things.
Yeah.
I try my best, me walk away, because I'm always say Munchie. As I hear anything on me first, I mean a blood clot victim, me a survivor, all these blood clot motherfuckers out here. Me's a survivor, and me go always survive. Me say, when my anxiety lick me, what do you only give me one piece of fire and my blood clot stomach. Remember me tell you, only make me clock some blood clot hours.
I really don't know what's wrong with Brashy. I'm tell Brashy say I don't want to be a friend again. Brashy keep on a come at me
Just hold
to
on,
the point where
no sis man, I beg you man, no but hold on man.
Brashy
I'm
set
not out to
up
be dirty
on you.
brashy.
Like
Ugly brashy.
Brashy,
Ugly
it's
brashy, brashy
over.
ugly.
Just you don't
Diary,
know.
diary, brashy
Now
ugly
come
in a
here
real
or
life.
over there. Like stop.
Brashy ugly in a real life, galley.
Yeah,
Real life, brashy
the,
ugly.
let me tell you the truth. She is the mastermind behind all of this
I
mix
She
up what
know.
they
yes,
go
and
on.
she eat puss.
I
She
know.
eat puss like
She,
dog. So she
mean,
use puss.
so she they
She
work. She
eat
they work under the
puss
sea
like
too for
dog.
attack. Yeah.
Nobody. Rashina use Puss. Puss knows
The
exactly
two
what
of them
she's
I use them
doing.
one another, but
She's a
she's
big
using her
woman. She
now.
know
In point blank,
exactly what she's
no,
doing.
girl, she a user and she a user. The two of them not like them one another. We know this.
Well, I
The two of them
open
is
at
using
the
them one
end, but she
another.
tear her up over there.
Hmm.
Fucking little idiots.
Come you know where you make the woman in the tongue against them one another, yeah, woman.
No.
I'll Anthony a
You,
good
you,
friend
you run
and
off your mouth what they about me pussy. I'm a laugh off of you. I'm a laugh. Cause everything we say I be a fucking liar chat. A liar chat. I'm a dry eye. I'm a show you. I'm spitefully come up on your live. Come show you. Say me don't want to come, and if I came up there, I could come up there. I don't want to be friends with you because you're a hypocrite. And the same people will tell me say you chat me, then block out your blood clot, and as they say me now look on them and block you. Move your blood clot on a idiot. The whole on a back and belly but blood clot rat. When you can't chat to me. When you can't chat to me, me young and me not dumb like Kuno. Me young and me don't, well, me not young no more. Me 36
You're
January.
young. You're
Jesus Christ, me
young.
36
you're
January.
young and how you
You're
feel,
young.
man.
Move in a blood clot. Move. I'll be a big woman. I'll
I true
educate the people.
Sarah. I
I
Sarah
affiliate
true. I
myself with.
she. Me
And
know
I
say
should
she had
not
the
behave
demons
like
behind
this.
a long
A
time.
50,
Me watch her
a
because she want
50
go.
add my
So me no
call
know if
all.
me no know if the girl and the other girl. Me no know if Munchie the other girl in a problem. But she want draw Anthony to this. So me say you know that blood clot. Girl, and she
Cause
the
she has said
behind
we
all of
answer
this.
them. I go over there here. So we answer the Anto come back.
Yes,
We
and
tell the things them.
Anto
I
say
just say
Brash.
I'm over it.
Anthony said to us, say Brash him in the depend that. Lego that. I'm in the depend that. I see me, yeah. I did some pick her
I don't
up.
know what you did to
Sierra, right?
Brashy
There's some pick her up. Say
Munchie,
she, they
but
behind
me not
me.
even gonna say what I said. Me don't know what. She just don't
Because
know how to
when
stop.
like Anthony's sister, when Carla Anthony go up on mute, she start the argument, say one hand woman beat the girl Munchie, and she talks say some partner money. So she hear.
You see, Peter John, them want me to conversate about what I've got really good. Everybody, at first, something that happened to me in my life like this, but everybody go through them shit.
You don't have to
Yeah?
justify nothing
I mean,
about a
hold on,
blood
hold on,
clot,
this is it, me
yeah.
not justify
That's not
nothing.
nothing but your
Me
business.
not
Keep
explain
your business
nothing
to
to them.
yourself.
Me not explain
The
one
moment
thing
I
to
come to
them.
explain,
Love
and
the
that they
people
want
them.
anything what
Yeah,
girl, if you do like me, anything they say, work
I
with you,
say
that me I
go, me
work
work
with.
with it. That is it. That's a new improvement.
Yeah.
Munchie. So
Mm-hmm.
anything them want to run with them, run with them. I'm not explaining shit to them. Look come near my battery wall. That me say. Move on a blood clot. It's
Yeah,
not
Antoinette
my
never
fault. Me
answer for true.
uno are mad
Antoinette never
over me.
answer.
Uno are mad over me. Uno are mad over me. Uno are mad over me. Mad over me. Me never. Uno are mad over my friendship.
Girl, you have to go make Diary play the new song. Jealous because I'm killing them.
Oh yeah, cause I'm killing them. Mad
Murder
over
to
me.
blood clot. One
Everything,
girl
hey,
mad over one girl
everything so wrong
friendship.
with me, but you still can't get over me. You still have to
Hey,
watch me.
Diary, man,
You
don't
still have,
promise. That's it.
you still have to have on a
Diary,
fake page and man watch me. And I will not post no word, but why should I post? Because me
Diary.
want a post
Yeah.
when me want
Man,
post
when
if me
promise
want
Brassy
post.
look fuck you know, Brassy the pie you say, you know, because my girl when they promise them fuck their auntie,
Me
you
don't
know.
know,
You mind
babe. Me
yourself,
don't
you
know
know,
where them girl
girl.
always depend me.
Huh?
Always. Always depend me. Me don't know where them girl
Your
always
diary,
depend me.
mind yourself, you know, come you know,
Me
make the
say,
woman the auntie
me stay
yourself.
by myself. Me can put on my phone and show. Me don't get called. I don't want to sit. I've got my friends. Don't get me wrong.
John,
Eh?
I got some lovely friends.
if me
Might
and
not talk
Puss,
every day,
if
but
me
if it's
and
any
Puss
time,
never go down the
can
road,
call them. I have
Brashy
some
would
beautiful
have this
friends.
me not ask.
Moving a blood clot.
That's
I
true.
Oh,
just need her to leave me alone. And so when I'm done with somebody for true, I hear me talk like this, you know I'm done. I'm not interested. I just need her to leave me alone. And me notice say, when I tell people say I need them to leave me alone, anybody when I put myself around, it's like them, it's like
Me just lock shop. So because them can't get my business, them vex with me. Me never see something go so yet.
You tell me pay Brassy comment no mind. What Brassy want say?
Me she want come
Me
up.
shoot she down long time. I mean I go pan she
Me
again.
say, me say to her, say, why would I take down Tanya and Tanya talk something right now in the moment? It's like you're trying to make me
Class,
style the girl. For, you
sir.
know them way there? Me just confused. I don't know. Me just there.
And then that ush girl beat up Brash, she think of me. And one girl beat me. One
Okay.
girl beat me.
Blood
And guess
clot.
what? She not beat me, but me tell her, me say she beat me because she stabbed me and me bleed. She draw my blood. And guess what? I'm a forgive the girl. I don't have a problem with the girl. Cause guess what? A friend, even the girl, when I say, me take her wife, me forgive her. But she realized when I said to her, the reason why the girl stabbed me because they keep on a talk about me like me I was a wicked person to you when I was not. So the girl getting her feelings. Me see the girl attack me in at the party and the girl look for me, you know. And the girl see everything and the girl getting her feelings and wait for me out to do a Peter John. And
Yeah.
when the girl stand up and say, Munchie, you have a problem, and I said, clearly you have a problem with me because you're the one that's standing here with a knife. Peter John, I walk around the girl, the way me not have a problem, I'm in fear. Me not a fear in me, Peter John, and that's the thing with scare me
Yeah.
sometimes, you know. I walk around the girl with the knife and she walk back at me and push me. 45 minutes me and the girl a fight. The girl put on the knife, me fight her, me thump her up. Me and her a war because she have stamina like me, but me a thump her up. She go back for the knife, me trip on the ground and she stab me. She win because she draw my blood.
Yeah.
But she not beat me up, but me say she win the fight. She win the fight because she draw my blood.
I say go get that for Winston and
Exactly
lose. So
enough girl me put in a boot to eat me right now. Don't remember some terrible. Enough girl me put in a boot. In a boot. And them now go talk about it and shame. Me love war. Me is
I
not a
say go
fighter.
girl,
Cause
you
guess what? Me
pass
don't know when to
that.
stop. Oh.
Friendship mash up left, right, and center.
I
General
mean them want
strike.
come for. I mean them want come for there. Me
A
see, but we
family
say you
member,
know
my
man.
friend. Right this a Sierra. Right this so. Are you man? Are you woman? Anywhere you swing, right this
But
so.
I saw it go 27. I just
You
life.
can't friend people on internet
I
because
just
they don't know
life.
loyalty. I
People
remember
will
you
put
them not grow up.
yes,
They don't
sometimes I
know
meet
loyalty.
people and the way I talk to them, the way people talk about me, people never think me could have talked to people all are seeing reasoning because I'm talk like some no sense, I'm a fool, I'm a dunce, I'm just horrible. People
What
just think
sister girl?
them just think
Munchie.
I'm horrible. But I say it through
Munchie.
But
other
the
people
right to
that say,
say the
no man
talk with the
Munchie,
bad
them people
doll
are wicked
them.
Munchie, a
yeah.
long time they want your head from the first
And
time.
them can't get
Well, I
it.
know. I don't know if you remember the time that I run out, come broke my neck, and me I said, no. And I said, Post, why you not
True
stop this and whatever?
Sierra, true.
Remember that year there? And me I said, no. And I said, no, I mean, no, say, I mean, she attack or whatever. It is a long time. Long
Me say,
time.
them same one, and them same, them come, them tell me, oh,
But
yes,
then I
Muncha,
expect,
you, yes, when
expect
they watching
me
with
to run out
Foley
for you
and China talk, them
because
say,
they
yes,
were
Muncha,
thinking
you,
that I
China
hated
talk,
you. So
yes,
the
and
plan
Puss
was
talk,
not
but she
for
not
me
try
to
people
run
to chat
out.
them, Munchi. And to me now, but I go in like, hold on,